Before you dive into finance and investing, it is very important to learn how the financial world works. And the best tool available to you are books. As the great Lord Tyrion once said,
"And the mind needs books like a sword needs a whetstone."
So in this video, we are going to tell you 3 finance books you must read before starting your investment journey. You could grab your own copy through the links in the description. If you plan to build long-term wealth, it would be important to first understand what money actually is and how it drives our behavior and decisions. The psychology of money explores how money moves around in an economy and how personal biases and the emotional factor play an important role in our financial decisions. This would be the first book we recommend to read to understand the basis of all finance, that is money. The Intelligent Investor, the definitive book on value investing, is considered one of the most important books on wealth creation through long-term investing. Benjamin Graham is lauded as a top guru of finance and investment, and his work has helped legendary investors like Warren Buffett, who says, "Intelligent Investor is by far the best book on investing ever written." So this should be on top of your to-read list. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, the most successful fund manager in America's history, is considered one of the best books for long-term wealth creation. In the book, Peter Lynch explains the advantages that average investors have over professionals, and how they can use these advantages to achieve financial success. Given the legendary experience of the author and the success of this book, it should be on top of the list of the first few books you read on investing. Alright guys, so these were our top picks for the books you must read before investing. Hope you all found the video helpful. Please consider liking the video and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in description to get great deals on Amazon. Until next time. Goodbye.